Hey guys, how are you doing so far? Right, so there's no value trade today and we got some time back for ourselves to work on our trading skills. So to help you out today, let's talk about trading versus investing. Right, do you know the difference between the two of them? Right, yes, many people will say that the time needed is different, while others will probably say the strategy used are very different. Yes, that's the obvious differences. Right? In trading, the trades usually last a lot shorter. Right? Some a few weeks, some a few days, and there are even trades that last within just a day. So, but investing is a lot more very different, right? It's more like the trades last more than 6 months, right? Or even more than 3 years. And in long-term trading, we can be talking about holding the trade for more than 10 years. So, but there's more to it, right? There's more to what trading is and what's the difference between investing. So let me give you an analogy. So in investing, it's just like a marriage. So you did the research, you learn about the person, you get to know the person well, you know the character, right? You know he or she will achieve great things in the future, and you want to stick with him or her for life, right? For the long term. But compared to trading, right? Trading is just like a one night stand. Right? You meet this person at the park, right? He or she looks attractive, right? He's so hot, she's so sexy, and you both of you go for that one night stand. And the next day, you both of you get up and you forget about it and move on, right? So that's the real difference, right? In trading, you get in when the charts, right, when the price action, when and everything looks good, right, during that very short period of time, and you get out when you make your profits, right? So you just get in and get out very quickly, right? Get what you want and you get out of the trade. So unlike investing, you don't do that much research. You don't look at their long-term performance. You don't look at the fundamentals, right? So that's the main difference. And investing, you do a lot of research. You do everything, right? You look at the performance analysis. You look at the price analysis. You look at all the overall, all the statements and all this stuff, right? So once you got in, you stick to it and you ride through the tough times, right, with expectation that over 5 years, 10 years, this company is going to do well, it's going to grow, and the price will go higher. But in trading, it's more of the technical part of it. It's the technical analysis, looking at the charts, looking out for different kind of market sentiment, right? How is the market feeling about this particular stock, right? And you plan your entry for a quick profit. You ride the trend, you ride the swing. So it's a very different skill set from investing. Right? What you learn in investing, like value investing, long-term investing, fundamental analysis, right? All this information, all these skills don't really apply in trading. Right? But trading is still a very learnable skill on itself. Right? It's more fast-paced. You will see more wins, of course. With more wins, you will of course see more losses, and you need to get comfortable with that. Right? Trading, you don't win all the time. In investing, yes, probably you can win most of the time, but not in trading. So some people without that right skill set, right, without that right mindset, they got too affected when they see losses. Right? They are too used to investing. When long term, they will want to they can tolerate losses and they hope that they don't have to realize those losses. Right? They hope that those stocks will turn around. Right? But in trading, you get out when things are not in your favor. Right? When you are wrong, when your analysis are wrong, you get out immediately. So you cannot, right? You cannot detach yourself, right? If you cannot detach yourself from the emotions, right, from all these losses and all these things, you feel bad, right? It's going to be a very roller coaster ride for you, right? So you have to learn that different skill set. You have to adopt a very different trading psychology. Right? But of course, in trading, you make money faster, right? Because you do a lot more work, like 30 minutes every day to look for swing trades, key in your stocks. Right? Unlike investing, right? Investing, you will probably do a very intensive 3-hour analysis. Right? 3-hour analysis just to look at the stocks, right? And you only see gains in 1 to 2 years time, right? Both investing and trading are good money, a good ways to make extra money. So nothing wrong with investing. Right? Some people are just more into investing than trading. Right? Some people are just more inclined to look at performance charts, looking at fundamentals. Right? Over the long term, both investing and trading can make you a lot of money. So you have to decide, right? Do you want to be a trader or do you want to be an investor? Right? And then you focus and learn the skill. Of course, yes, you can be both of them, right? Myself, I am both an investor and trader, but you got to be good in something first, right? You got to start on something first, right? Once you get competent in one skill, you can learn the other one. So don't learn that at the same time, right? You will get really very confused. For myself, like me, when I first started, right, I did a lot of wrong things. My mindset, my principles are all mixed up because I do investing and trading all at the same time. Right? When that happens, you cannot manage, right? You lose a lot of money. Right? Any mistakes, any stupid mistakes you make in the stock market means you lose money. Right? So from my experience, don't do both. Right? Become good at one first before you try the other one. So if you want to be a better trader, if you want to make more money in trading, then I am here to help. Right? Because every trading day, before the market open, you will see my upcoming trades before the market open, right? So I will share with you what I am trading, right? How I analyze the stock charts, how I analyze the price action, all before the market open, before the trades go live. And also you will see my trading journal with all the trades that I have taken so far. Right, from there you can back test, you can learn, you can refer back to look at the chart patterns and things like that. Right, you see the winners and you see the losses and you learn from them. Right? And also not every day is a trading day. So when there are no valid trades, you will see videos like this to help you to become a better trader. So click on the subscribe button below and follow my journey, right? My mission here is to help 1 million people like you to become better traders and make consistent profits. Right? That's the most important thing that I want to achieve in my channel. So join me, and until next time, I will see you soon again in my next video.